Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Students, today we will learn how to use the general term of the binomial expansion a plus b power n to find the term independent of x in the given expansion. If for example we have to find the term independent of x in the expansion of x minus 2 over x whole power 6, then we will proceed as follows. The general term in this expansion will be 6 combination r x power 6 minus r and minus 2 over x power r. This will become 6 combination r x power 6 minus r negative 2 power r over x power r, because this r power will be distributed upon both these numbers. Now it will become 6 combination r x power 6 minus 2r, because this r will be subtracted from this power according to law of indices, and it will be negative 2 power r. Now to find the term independent of x, we'll have to put this power of x equal to 0, because to find the term independent of x mean we'll have to find that term in which there should be no x. So for that purpose we'll have to put power of x, that is 6 minus 2r, equal to 0, which implies that r will be equal to 3. So putting r is equal to 3 in this general term, we'll get 6 combination 3 x power 0, because 6 minus 2r is equal to 0, minus 2 power 3. If we calculate 6 combination 3, the answer will be 20, and negative 2 power 8, 3 will be equal to 8, negative 8, and it will be negative 160. So this will be the term independent of x, which is the term independent of x. Let us now solve another question. Find the term independent of x in the expansion of 4x cube plus 1 over 2x whole power 8. The general term in this expansion will be 8 combination r 4x cube power 8 minus r into 1 over 2x power r. This will become 8 combination r. This 8 minus r power will be distributed upon both these numbers. As a result, we will get 4 power 8 minus r x cube power 8 minus r, and this will become 2 power minus r and x power minus r, because when this r will be distributed upon the number in the denominator, when these numbers will be shifted in the numerator, power sign of the power will be changed. Now it will be 8 combination r 4 power 8 minus r, and this 2 power negative r, and x power, this 3 will be multiplied with 8 minus r, and we'll have 24 minus 3r and x power negative r. Now on further simplification, it will become 8 combination r 4 power 8 minus r 2 power negative r and x power 24 minus 4r, because the powers will be added and we'll get 24 minus 4r. Now to get the term independent of x, we'll put the power of x equal to 0. We'll put 24 minus 4r equal to 0, which implies that r will be equal to 6. So we'll substitute r equal to 6 in this general term. As a result, we'll get 8 combination 6 4 power 8 minus 6 2 power minus 6 and x power 0. Now 8 combination 6 will be equal to 28 into 4 power 2, and this power will become 2 power 6. Here we will write 28 multiplied by 16 divided by 64. On simplification, the answer will be 7. So this is the term which will be independent of x.